Colin. Karibu, which is to say welcome. CC for Lance, to say a short prayer. Good morning, my name is Dr. Lena. I'm Sophia.
We are very proud as Kajiado County Government to leverage on the Amali program training to be able to drive our agenda on education, because we know education is the ultimate game changer in our developmental gap.
Seeing what I've seen here today, seeing what I saw in Nairobi yesterday has confirmed two things: the power of subnational governments, of our city governors, of our county governors, to be able to make a real impact in the lives of our residents. And that's what the whole Amali program is about.
As former Minister of Education of Zimbabwe, I know the importance of education, and the fact that your government has made this an absolute priority speaks so much of your administration and gives me great hope for the future.